Hi, Ma. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sharing my screen. Let me know once it is visible.
It's visible, ma'am.
So, where we are in the last class? We started enhancements, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, in that, we saw that what is enhancements? Enhancements are to do the modifications in the standard. Under that, we have the concepts like user exit, customer exit, user exit, customer exit, and body enhancement framework, which is going to cover implicit work area and explicit implicit work area, no, implicit enhancement, explicit enhancement. On explicit, again we have the pointed section. These are the options are available. Under that, we learn what is that subroutine. Subroutine is nothing but, sorry, what I'm saying, user exit. What is user exit? User exit is nothing but subroutine. That's what we learn. And function exit is nothing but function module. Screen exit is nothing but subscreen. Menu exit is nothing but UI status. Body is nothing but in the classes and methods we have the interface. That interface is body. And implicit enhancement means in all the modularization techniques, definition part at the starting, ending, we have the space. That space is called implicit enhancement. And explicit point and section, which will be directly visible to our eye. So, like in modularization technique, we have finding and implementing. So here we are, their definition and calling part. So here we'll have the finding and implementing. So I shown the example of order creation. At that time, I found the user exit and I implemented by using implicit. So always in the interview questions, they'll ask how to find, how to implement. Finding steps of user exit. First, for which transaction code you want to find the enhancement, go to the transaction and click on system status so that you will get to know the program name. Or go to SC93 and give the T code and display. You can find the program name. So either of the way you can find the program name. Once you have the program name, then go to SC38, that program, and click on display. Inside the program, okay, you can't directly see the subroutines, means which is user exits. How to find? Click on global find button. In that, give the string as user exit and click on continue. It will show all the places where and all the perform user exit and user exit string also there it will show. But you need to concentration on the perform user exit underscore some name. You can, by seeing the name itself, reading the data, deleting the document like that, by seeing the names, you can identify some which is suitable to your requirement. If it is not able to choose like that, then we can keep the breakpoints at all the perform user exits and then run the T code. It will take you to the debugging mode. Check the signature. What is signature? Means importing, exporting, all those things. What do you want to do? They're going to ask validate the material, and they're asking the plan to validate. That information is coming there or not. That check you have to check. That is called the signature checking. Once you check this is the suitable one, so that is how it will be finding steps. Any questions in the finding steps?
No, ma'am.
Then implementing. In the implementing, we have two ways of implementing. One is go to the perform, double click on the name. It will take you to the form and end form. There, you click on change mode. It will ask for access key because it is in the standard. Then you can take that screenshot and send to the bases. Bases are going to provide the access key so that if you give that access key, that particular form and end form will be given into the change mode so that you can call custom include inside that, and later you can write the code in the custom include. So this is one way of implementing. But for the each and every access key, okay, so they need to pay, the client need to pay amount for the company SAP. So that is charged solution. There is any free solution? Yes, we have the free solution. What is that? So it is a perform. User exit is a perform. When you click on that, it will take you to the form and end form. I already said in all the modularization technique, definition part, at the starting and ending, you have the space. That space is called implicit enhancement. Now this is modularization technique subroutine. When you double click on the perform name, it will take you to the form and end form. Means here also starting and ending you have the space. So how to find that implicit enhancement after going to form and end form? Means click on enhance button and then in the menu bar edit show implicit enhancement so that it will show the dotted lines, and then this is finding of implicit. After that you can right click on the dotted lines and create enhancement. It will create an enhancement name and enhancement. In between that you can write the code. So this is how you're going to implement the user exit. Clear? In this we learn user exit and implicit enhancement. Both we covered in one. Any questions up to here? Up to here only I just covered, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Any questions up to here? Definitely interview question. How to find, how to implement. So this will be important interview question for all. Any doubts? Please, if you have any questions, raise it. Otherwise, we'll go for the next.
No questions.
Can we go for the next?
Yeah, ma'am.
Next one is customer exit. What is this customer exit? Customer exit is nothing but collection of function exit, screen exit, menu exit. So what is this function exit? Function exit is nothing but function module. Screen exit is nothing but subscreen. And then menu exit is nothing but UI status. We'll call this function module subscreen and UI status as components and the customer exit name as an enhancement. Okay. Customer exit is nothing but collection of all these things. That will call it as an enhancement. And what is this function exit, screen exit, menu exit? They are the components of enhancements. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how to find, how to implement. First of all, how to find. We have two ways to find the customer exit. What is that? So any transaction, for example, just now they said for VA01, right? Same like that, they can give for any takeout. So I'm just going to first find the program name. SC93, same as it is. For example, XD01 is the transaction they given. Just go to that and check the program name. Once you copied the program name, open the program SC38, view the program. It's a standard, so you can't go for change. You can click on display. For user exit, you find user exit as a string. Here, for the customer exit, you need to give the string as call customer. Click on continue. You can see it is showing two function modules, which is having import and export. So by seeing the signature, if you identify means importing, exporting and all fine. Otherwise, you can just go and keep the breakpoint and run the transaction, and then you can check whether whatever required for you, whether it is coming or not. So once you find out this is the suitable, double click on the number. It will show you the function exit. Just now I said function exit is not an enhancement, it's a component. You can see function exit is a component. What I want to find? Enhancement. How to find? Just copy this function exit name, go to SC16 or XC16 and whatever it is. Mod SAP is the table. Give that as a member and then run. You can see this is the enhancement name. This is the component and this is the enhancement name. Once I have the component enhancement name, go to smod transaction. Give that enhancement name, click on display. You can click on components. You can see it is having only one. Okay. You can double click on it. It will take you to the same function module. Clear ma? How to find? This is the way how we are going to find the enhancement. First we found the function exit and top of it pass to that mod SAP table to find the enhancement. To see the enhancement, all the components, you can use that as smart code. Is it clear? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the requirement will be comes from functional. So what is the requirement for that? What you have to find it out. Enhancement. At that time, you're going to you follow the steps and do that. And I said for finding we have two steps. One step, two ways. One way already I explained. Another way, how to. So for any transaction, whatever they said, for that, first we need to go to the SC93 and check the package. Once you got the package name, go to the same smart transaction utilities find. Give the package name and run. You can see this is the enhancement which is available. Okay. So like this, you can view the package. I'm just giving another package, the standard package for materials. You can see how many enhancements are there? Lot of. Now what you need to do? You need to check what are all components under that. Select it and click on display. You can see it is having that function module. It is having the subscreen and it is having the includes, custom includes. Okay. So lot of function modules, all these things. Just check. So based on the requirement, it is having only the function exit. So then check. It is having only function exit. Like that, you are going to check what are all available in this. This is another way of finding out. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have two ways of finding the customer exit. One is go to the program, go to the T code and take the program name. In the program, give the string as call customer and then double click on the number. It will take you to the function exit. Copy the function exit into mod SAP table. You'll find the enhancement. Go to the S mod transaction and you are able to see that. And when it is comes to the another way, same. For the any T code, whatever they given, go to SC93 and click on display. It will open that transaction details. In that, take the package name and go to as mod transaction and utilities find and then give the package name and execute. It will show all the enhancements which is available under that. These are the two ways to find the enhancement. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I find the enhancement